All right, so I'm gonna go back here to this tab right here called the model. And I'm going to use a POJO, and it mentions here a POJO is a term coined by Martin Fowler to denote an ordinary Java object not bound by any special restriction or not requiring any class path. It is a technical term. In simple terms, POJO is defined as a pure data structure containing the getters and setter fields. Now the next question is, what is a data structure? A data structure is a way of organizing data so that it can be used in an effective way. So, so what I want to do here is I want to create a model or POJO that represents this row right here. And I'm going to go here to the screen design, model design, and here we're going to use this to define that. So these are all the fields that I'll create in the POJO that we're going to use. I will highlight all of these so you don't have to do any typing. Copy, and I'll copy that. And here in the model section, Java class, and we'll call this payment. And I will paste all that information here. This is complaining because we need to import this class, Java util date. Make sure it's util. And what I want to do here is create a constructor for each one of these. I'm going to say here, let's generate constructor using all these fields. So highlight everything here and hit OK. For this, I don't think I need the setters yet because I'm going to use the constructor to set the data. So for this one, I want to do a generate toString and just get only all the getters for now. All right. Let me close everything for a second. Say close others. All right. Let's go back now to mortgage service. I want to go here and define a class. I'm going to say here Java, not Java, public get all monthly payments. And this is going to return us an array of payment. And just so to satisfy the compiler, let's make that return null. And this we need to import. Let's import this class. Now the first thing we're going to do here is, I think I should be able to copy all this information. This is all the information that we need. So let's copy that and let's paste that right here. Okay, I'll take in the loan amount, the number of years, and the interest rate. Given all of that, we should be able to figure out the monthly payments going forwards. All right. So right now, I'll just focus on one row for now. So we're going to say here, new payment. And I'm going to grab all these definitions here. This is basically what I need. So I'll do Control C, grab those right here and put them here. Okay, so let's go here. Let's do, why is this complaining? Oh, semicolon, date. I'll do double. I should be able to separate all the doubles with a comma. Let's see, let's import this class right here, Java util date again. Oh, forgot a comma there. I'm gonna hit enter because I'm just running out of room. And okay, getting some compile errors here, so let me just comment this out and see. This interest is clashing with this one, so what I want to do here, I want to call this p interest, knowing that it's a parameter that came in. Oh, in fact, you know what? This interest will never change actually, so let me take that, and then I should be able to get rid of this one right here. Okay. And just bring that up here. Put ending balance there. And let's see what this is complaining about now. Semicolon there. Let's make this double so it just reads better. Oh, it was because I had the double here again. Okay, so this looks fine now. All right. So next thing is to pass all the parameters into the new payment. All right, so next thing is to do that. Let me see here. Let me go back to the spreadsheet. I just created this field really quick, so I could just do some less typing here. And I'm going to paste that right there. Control V and paste that there. And see. Oh, it's just telling me that all of these didn't get initialized yet. So let's do here 0. And that seems to initialize it. And let's see. Oh, can't do that. I think that's a Python thing that I'm doing. So let's initialize all of them to 0. And same thing here, initialize this to 0. Initialize this to 0. This will equal to new date. And let's initialize this to 1. Okay. This last comma is not needed. So this looks pretty good so far. And let me stop there. So our goal is now to do the calculation here.